What's up guys, we are CHR and today we're going to show you how to kite in League of Legends. Let's get right into the video.
So what is kiting, you ask? Kiting is a term most commonly used to describe when a champion is attacking and moving at the same time. Kiting, mostly used by ranged champions, although technically can be used as a melee champion. Today we're going to show you simple ways to do it, so let's get started.
The simplest way to kite in League is simply to right click on an enemy and quickly right click again in a different place to move your champion before quickly right clicking again on the enemy champion to shoot them again. But this method has many flaws. Firstly, it is really easy to accidentally misclick right next to the enemy champion instead of right clicking on the enemy champion, which will cause you to move towards the enemy champion rather than attacking them, and most likely the enemy champion will beat you to death, and you don't want that happening in a ranked game, do you? Another flaw which this method has is it's really difficult to keep moving your mouse really quickly on to the enemy champion and then onto the ground to keep moving, and it's just really tiring for your hand as well. It's not very practical. However, the next method will make this a lot easier. Player attack move. Player attack move is a keybind in League of Legends which will automatically attack the closest target to your champion. By default, this is bound to the A key. After pressing the A key, you will see a range indicator show up around your champion and your cursor will turn red. When you then press your mouse on the ground or an enemy, your champion will automatically attack the closest target to themselves, or move towards wherever you clicked if there is no target nearby. This method greatly reduces the risk of misclicking, as you'll automatically attack a champion within your range. Yet this method is still not entirely perfect because it is a lot slower than traditionally right clicking. This is because you will need to input two different keys in order to attack just once. Because first you need to press the A key and then right click to attack a champion, which is a lot slower than just right clicking once to attack a champion. This is not including that you then need to right click again on the ground to actually move in between your attacks and actually start kiting. Yet this is where the third method comes into play. Player attack move click. Player attack move click is a much faster and easier version of the player attack move. This simplifies it to just one input. Let's pretend that you bound this key to A. Just like player attack move, you will no longer be seeing a range indicator and be prompted to click a nearby target. A player attack move input will automatically be set to wherever your mouse is at, and your character will start attacking the nearest champion to your mouse as soon as you press A instead of having to press A and then right click to attack. This makes it a lot faster and easier to attack characters quickly in between moving. This is personally my favourite method as it's the fastest and easiest to master, in my opinion. You can actually make life even easier for yourself with another setting, which is target champions only. This will prevent you from accidentally shooting a minion or getting juked around the tower. You can set it to a key like Z or X and you will only be able to target champions while holding this key, or you can enable treat target champions only as a toggle, which means that you can toggle between targeting only champions and targeting any other targets. This will make your life even easier and can be life-saving in some situations. So guys, these were some of the best ways how to kite in League of Legends. Go ahead, try some of them out, and I would also recommend to stick with the one that you prefer for the majority of your time whilst playing League of Legends, because if you switch in between methods, then you'll never be able to get good at just one of them. So we are CHR, and as always, see you in the next video.